we saw how the connections are, and now we are here. We came to the front. I will show you what is one of our relays. For example, this is the relay number 6 from top. You count 1, 2. This is number 6, and here you can see the võimsuslüliti, lahkulüliti, and maanduslüliti. These 3, and we have 2 push buttons that with them I have programmed it right now that they are controlling this one, lahkulüliti. So they are giving me the possibility to disconnect or connect this one. So let me, if I press this, it's now disconnected, and in the program you can see that's disconnected. Okay, this is not showing it correct, but yeah, because it is not connected to the object, I have just I have to add it to the like to the program. Yeah, here it was supposed to show here another object I have to add, but I don't have it. I just control it with this push buttons, lahkulüliti. So this, pay attention to the task 1, for example, task 1 buttons. This especially I made it so that you can disconnect and connect it with this. But I have an entire program that is here. I just want to copy it, and then this is relay number 6. I want to copy the program from here and like paste it on the, like load the same program to the other relay. So let's go to the program. I open the EasyRG software. Right now, I just want to connect to the relay. So you see this connection? This is the mini USB that I have used for connecting to the, I have used it for connecting to the, to the computer. Right now I have this cable that you can see connected to USB of my computer. And when I press the connection here, this appears here. If I disconnect that cable, this will not be here. If I want to connect through the Ethernet, I have to connect the Ethernet cable. So right now, this I press enter, and here I can, I have to put the username, engineer, level, and for the password, 4 times A, but they are caps lock. So that's done. Now it's loading. Now you can see here is written device. I don't have any other file. So some of the some of the options here are like invisible. So let's see. I have to read all of the files. Right now I have connection. I put read all. I want to read all of the program that is like in the is saved on the processor of the relay number 6. Right now it's reading. It will take few minutes because it's like reading all of the settings. These relays can support up to nearly 100 different functions. So you can imagine how complicated, how much parameters it needs to take. But I read on the manual of the P530 that the P530, yeah, no, P520, that at the same time you can run only up to 30 functions at the same time. So I think it will be the same for this also. Every relay can support up to 100, they have 100 different functions, but at this, you can only run 30 of them at the same time. So this is now loading. When it's loaded, in the other video, the first video, you can, you have to see that before. You are familiar with every, all of these tabs, what we can do here. Right now, we just connect it to the relay. read all of the program that was in there. Now I will just save it. Right now it's completed, so I think I have to have all the protection functions. Right now you can see the protection functions. I will want to see the enabled. Yes, these are the over current and over voltage. Two functions I have activated. These ones I will explain to you. So I have read everything. Let's save it in some file, like here from this menu. For example, I want to save it and use it later. So I will put relay 6 setting, and yeah, relay 6 settings. I save it. I didn't have to save it for writing to the other, but right now I have just saved it so that for just in case I have it. Now I am going to disconnect the like this relay from here. I will disconnect it and go connect it to the next one.